Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best jewelry kits is probably one of the most exciting ways for teen girls to explore their creativity. These kits offer a fantastic opportunity to craft unique accessories, fostering a sense of accomplishment and self-expression. Whether it's for personal adornment or gifting loved ones, jewelry making provides a rewarding and engaging experience, perfect for sparking a lifelong passion for crafting. Number 5. Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This kit has everything you need. It includes thousands of colorful clay beads, charms, stretchy string, and tools. It's perfect for anyone who loves making bracelets and jewelry. The beads are made from soft, eco-friendly polymer clay. They're safe for everyday wear and won't fade easily. This kit is designed to be safe and fun for kids ages 6 and up. Spend quality time with your kids designing bracelets, necklaces, and more. It's a great way to encourage creativity and keep them entertained for hours. They'll love making unique pieces. Looking for a fun and meaningful gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. You can even make friendship bracelets to give to your friends. We want you to be completely satisfied with your purchase. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll provide a solution within 24 hours. Thank you for supporting our brand. What we like? This kit has everything you need to get started, with tons of beads and charms. It's made with safe, skin-friendly materials, so you can wear your creations every day. If you're looking for a fun and safe way to express your creativity and make unique jewelry, this is a great choice for you. What people say. With a huge variety of colorful clay beads, charms, and accessories, this kit offers endless possibilities for making bracelets, necklaces, and keychains. The beads are lightweight, durable, and smooth, making them comfortable to wear. The kit included a generous 10 meters of 0.8 mm elastic cord, which proved to be very strong and resistant. Number 4. Amazing Time Charm Bracelet Making Kit for Girls. This amazing kit comes in a beautiful gift box, packed with everything you need. It's a complete set, perfect for girls who love to create their own accessories. Inside, you'll find bracelet chains, colorful charm beads, and pendants. The kit includes easy-to-follow instructions, making it simple to create unique jewelry. No tools or glue are needed. You can easily interchange the beads and dangles. Mix and match to personalize and create a fashion statement. The bracelet is adjustable, with an extension chain to fit most girls. It's easy to adjust, ensuring a comfortable fit for everyone. This kit is a great gift for girls aged 5 to 12. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. They will love it. What we like? This kit is super easy to use, with no tools or glue required. The bracelets are adjustable, so they fit most girls perfectly. If you're looking for a perfect gift for a teenage girl, this kit is a fantastic option, allowing her to create and personalize her own jewelry. What people say. It's a wonderful opportunity for girls to express their personalities through their creations, choosing from an array of charms that range from cute animals to shiny stars, all of which can be mixed and matched to create pieces that truly represent their unique styles. I like how there are 4 lobster claw bracelets and enough beads to make a number of cool pieces. The colorful beads and charms in the craft set are perfect for designing unique bracelets and necklaces. Number 3. Acejoz DIY Charm Bracelet Making Kit. This DIY kit provides everything you need to create beautiful charm bracelets. It's perfect for beginners and adults alike, encouraging self-expression and fun. You'll receive silver snake chains, charm pendants, and a variety of beads. There are enough components for you to make multiple bracelets, each with its own unique style. The bracelet chains are adjustable to fit most wrists. You can easily customize them with the included charms and beads to match your style. Simply twist the clasp, add your favorite beads and charms, and tighten. It's a simple process that encourages creativity and allows you to make beautiful bracelets. With various styles of beads and pendants, you can create bracelets to match any outfit. It's a convenient kit that saves you time and effort. What we like? This kit offers a variety of beads and pendants, allowing for diverse styles. The bracelets are adjustable, ensuring a comfortable fit. If you like to create different styles of bracelets to match your clothes, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I love the bracelet part because they are adjustable and easy to create with because they screw apart, no crimping or other tools required. The bracelet, charms and beads are great quality. I was amazed at how many different charms, spacers and beads the kit came with. Every interest imaginable is represented in these beads. Looks identical to who's charm bracelets. Durable and can stand water. Lots of bright pieces to make 5 beautiful bracelets. Well worth the price. Number 2. Hapinest Clay Jewelry Making Kit for Girls. This amazing kit lets you design your own jewelry. It comes with everything you need to create beautiful bracelets and necklaces. It's a fun way to express yourself. Inside, you'll find 8 vibrant colors of polymer clay. There are also pendants, charms, beads, and all the tools you need. This kit has it all to get you started. The clay colors include dark purple, light purple, dark pink, and more. You can mix them to create your own custom shades. The possibilities are endless with this kit. Girls ages 8 and up will love making their own jewelry. They can create unique beads, pendants, bracelets, and necklaces. It's a great way to make something special. The kit features special charms, like flowers and butterflies. You can mix and match them with the beads and crystals. It's a fun and creative way to make jewelry. This is a fun arts and crafts kit for preteen and teen girls. It's a creative DIY gift that doesn't involve screens. It's a great way to spend time and be creative. What we like. This kit uses clay, allowing you to create custom colors and designs. It includes charms and beads, for a fun and creative experience. If you like to create unique beads and pendants, this kit is a great choice. What people say. This craft allows children to make beautiful handcrafted clay jewelry. They loved it. It's beautiful and well designed and the jewelry was of good quality. You have everything you need to make beautiful, unique jewelry. Number 1. Craft Crush Bracelet Making Kit. Looking for a fun and creative activity? This kit is perfect for teens and adults. It provides everything needed to create beautiful, stylish bracelets. The kit includes a stunning selection of on-trend materials. You can create bracelets that are fashionable and unique, reflecting your personal style. Create multiple bracelets and wear them separately or together. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to mix and match to create your own unique look. Using simple techniques, you can make 8 unique bracelets. The instructions are easy to follow, making it a great activity for all skill levels. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes elastic cord, faux suede cord, cotton thread, beads, charms, tassels, rings, ribbon, and instructions. It's all there. What we like. This kit features trendy, gold-colored materials, perfect for teens and adults. It's easy to make, with simple techniques for creating unique bracelets. If you like to wear your creations separately or together, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Everything you need to make 8 cute bracelets for yourself or for gifts. Beads, string, charms, and fixings all included. The colors are mostly cream and coral. Good quality, giftable kit is filled with fun supplies and is great for a rainy day craft. There is an instruction book included. Great for kids and teens. Easy to use, fashionable, and stylish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.